In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the text box size in PowerPoint. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this session, you'll have mastered the art of resizing text boxes to better suit your presentation needs. Whether you're looking to enhance the appearance of your text or simply make adjustments to fit more content, these steps will guide you through it with ease. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open up PowerPoint on your computer. Ensure you have the PowerPoint software installed, and if you don't, you'll need to download it from a trustworthy source. Once you've got PowerPoint open, locate the specific presentation you intend to modify. This could be a new presentation you're starting from scratch or an existing one that you're working on. Go ahead and open that up. Now, with your PowerPoint presentation on screen, the next step is to identify the text box you'd like to resize. Simply click on the specific text box. You'll notice it becomes highlighted with a border, signifying that it is now selected and ready for resizing. Here's where the magic happens. To resize the text box, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. As you do this, move your mouse cursor to one of the corners of the selected text box border. Click and drag to resize the box. By moving the cursor outward, you're expanding the box, giving more room for text. Conversely, dragging inward will make the box smaller, ideal for fitting text into a tighter space. A helpful tip during this step is to keep an eye on the alignment and scaling of your content. If you're not careful while resizing, you might end up with text that's either crammed or too spaced out from the box's edges. Always ensure you have sufficient padding for a professional appearance. And there you have it, those are the simple steps for resizing a text box in PowerPoint. Remember, a well-sized text box can significantly enhance the overall look and feel of your presentation, making your slides not only more readable but also more visually appealing. These straightforward techniques will lend your work a polished and organized look, capturing your audience's attention more effectively. Keep practicing and don't hesitate to explore the various features PowerPoint offers for text formatting and alignment to further customize your presentations. Share your results with your colleagues or friends to get feedback, and you'll be on your way to becoming a PowerPoint pro in no time. So go ahead and try these steps out for yourself, and before long, optimizing text box sizes will become second nature to you. Thanks for tuning in today, and see you in the next video where we'll uncover even more PowerPoint tips and tricks.